Prevention is the best defense against oil spills. It's always easier to keep a spill from happening than to clean up afterwards. A complete spill prevention strategy requires three things: proper maintenance, safe work practices, and awareness of your surroundings. Proper maintenance is more than just a fresh coat of paint. It means knowing what can fail in the system, knowing how it can fail, and then not allowing it to fail. System failures can occur through normal wear and tear, improper maintenance, corrosion, and excessive conditions such as temperature or pressure. To avoid problems, apply these maintenance guidelines. Follow all inspection and preventive maintenance schedules to assure formal routine inspections of containment systems and hardware for damage and leaks. These may be set by your facility or by the equipment manufacturer. Note any gradual changes in equipment condition that could indicate aging or wear. If extreme weather conditions have put a strain on materials used in tanks and pipes, inspect the system more often. Gaskets can shrink and become brittle in cold weather, for example, causing them to leak or fail completely. Don't attempt repairs you're not trained and authorized to perform. A poor repair can sometimes be worse than none at all, since it creates a false sense of security. If you spot a problem, report it immediately to a supervisor and schedule it for repair by someone qualified for the job. When performing maintenance or repairs, follow all guidelines for safety and environmental protection. These include lockout, tagout, confined space entry requirements, respiratory protection, fall protection, and hot work permits. Don't forget to provide for containment of residual material not easily drained. An accident in these surroundings could trigger an oil leak or spill, making your problems even worse. Following management of change procedures and pre-startup safety review procedures also enhances overall process safety during repair and change operations. Safe work practices are not designed to just keep you from getting hurt. If you apply them consistently, you can help reduce or eliminate the risk of spills. Safe work practices can be as general as following the rules of the road when driving, or they may apply to a specific piece of equipment. In every case, they are there for a reason, and they're your best defense against spills. Here are some safe work practices you can use. When transferring oil, cover floors and storm drains to contain accidental spills. Perform oil and fuel transfers only in approved areas. These areas are designed to limit the damage caused by spills. Inspect all hoses and piping before using them for oil transfers. Don't transfer oil during bad weather. Any spills can be carried away more quickly if it's raining. When fueling or adding oil to vehicles or equipment, insert the filler nozzle all the way into the tank. Never leave the nozzle unattended. Use approved practices when handling oil drums or other oil containers. If you're repairing or maintaining oil-filled equipment, be sure all pressure in the system is relieved. Prepare to contain residual material that might be in the equipment and use only approved pads or containment areas to work on equipment. Spill prevention requires constant awareness of your surroundings. The sooner you spot a problem, the better your chance of avoiding or minimizing a spill. Wherever you are in your facility, you should know emergency telephone numbers and contact information for reporting spills and accidents. Keep an eye out for early signs of leakage from tanks or pipes. A new stain at a seam, joint, or valve can mean worse problems if it's not fixed. If you see a sheen on water in a ditch or any evidence of oil on the ground, report it immediately. When handling or transferring oil, be aware of the effects of a spill in that area. You can act more quickly and effectively if you plan ahead. Know the location of emergency cleanup materials and equipment, and know how to use them properly.